Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can draw lines in Gimp. So basically, there's two ways to do this, which is by selecting on the toolbox itself, which is going to be this one. And the other way is by heading over to the top menu. So if it's not on the toolbox, you want to head over to the top menu right here. The thing that you're looking for is this icon. This is basically the airbrush tool. But inside the same group, we have something like the paintbrush, ink, and pencil. Now, I generally use pencil for this one. And of course, you can edit out the properties of your pencil like the hardness, the size, angle, spacing, and more. And in my case, I'll just go ahead and drag it over onto my image. And from there, I have successfully draw a line. Of course, we have other options to do this like paint and many more. Now, if you cannot see the option on the toolbox, it's simply inside tools, paint tools, and then we have it right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.